It's about to go down.
Hi besties, you're welcome back to my channel. So yesterday was my birthday and I decided to make crispy chicken for myself because why not? And this chicken was trying to frustrate me, and at some point I was like, should I take it back to the freezer? But I said, nah, it's my birthday and you must satisfy my cravings. Yuppie, I finally cut the chicken and watch the process. So it was time for me to sift my flour, and I took a break to play with my little one. After all, cooking is more fun with a side of giggles. And when I was done frying my chicken, I decided to make pancakes with the remaining flour and egg. And that's a wrap. This dish tastes amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.